Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Okay guys, I have these gorgeous stars and also little ornaments from Hobby Lobby, and the little ornaments are from Walmart. And I'm going to make this garland, which I think turned out absolutely cute. So what I am doing is taking different ribbons and different ornaments and different pieces like the stars, and I have little jingle bells, and I'm going to tie it onto this jute cord that I got off of Amazon. So it's basically just cutting and tying, cutting and tying. It's very whimsical and it's so cute. You could put it on a shelf, just string it across the shelf. You could put it over your fireplace, over a door. You could just add it into any of your Christmas decor. So really anybody can make this. Your kids can help you make it. It's really a simple type of craft that you can get the whole family involved. And you can make it however long you want. You can use different ribbons that you like. You can make it however you want. But all the little ornaments I got at Walmart, and you get like probably anywhere from 4 to 6. And I think some of them are $1.98 or $2.98, but of course, you know, I got them last Christmas, and this is Christmas in July, and I pretty much I'm just doing a collaboration because I had packed up all my Christmas stuff, and I decided just to pull out some of my videos from 2020, and I just love all of these. These were all my favorites, and they were easy to do. I also took some Dollar Tree scarves, the little, they're almost like a flannel scarf, and I cut strips of those to put on there also. I used the Dollar Tree jute cord and the black and white. It's more like a string cord, I think. But if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell, because you really help to make my channel grow, and it's important if you hit the like button because that helps the analytics for YouTube. And I really appreciate all of you and all that you do. And if you have any comments or suggestions or questions, you can please add them below, and we will get back to them as soon as we can. So this is like Christmas in July. And I know I've seen a lot of other people do some collaborations of what they did throughout the year. So this is my way of getting you guys to be inspired. So when all the Christmas stuff comes out, you can start making all your little Christmas decor for your homes or for friends, family. You can even put on Christmas music. And there it is. It's all ready to go. I used the glue to just go back in and reinforce some of them so they wouldn't fall off, like the little tags, the little ornaments. The ones I tied, I don't think will fall off, but the little ornaments I wasn't real sure about because they had little cords, or I would add cords. Because if you didn't add the glue, they would slide around. So that's why I went back and just put a little bit of glue so they would stay in place. I also put the little cords through the jingle bells. And you could put anything you want on it, really. But I love the way this turned out. I'm probably going to make one for Halloween. And there it is. Isn't it pretty? It's very whimsical, very Christmassy. I loved how it turned out. I made it pretty long so you can do other things with it. But how cute is this little Christmas garland? My next one is a charger plate. This one turned out gorgeous, okay? It's just a charger plate from Dollar Tree. I got the Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments. I got the little believe sign from Dollar Tree. So it's pretty much a Dollar Tree craft. I glued all my little ornaments on. Now I'm taking like pine greenery and I'm gonna go through each and every one of them so that you don't see the little hook on the balls. I did give this to a girlfriend of mine. She loved it. I love it. I'll probably make some more this year, just different colors. Okay, I have a little Christmas pick and I'm going to add that to my little charger plate. And look how pretty this is. It's so Christmassy. I love the gold and silver together. And the charger plate was already gold, so didn't have to paint that. And see, the little Christmas pick has red and gold in it. I'm using that little spatula to press it down in there so I don't burn my fingers. Look how pretty that is. Now I'm going to use some jute cord to make a hanger for it so that you can hang it up. This would be cute in any room, bathroom, kitchen, on your front door. I love the way this turned out. It was pretty easy to do, so it's just basically just getting the glue gun out and gluing everything to the charger plate. And isn't it gorgeous? Very Christmassy. Love the way it turned out. Okay, my next is a pizza pan, and I spray painted it with a glitter spray paint. I did it outside. I know you didn't get to see that, but I spray painted the pans. I spray painted my little candlestick holders. All of these came from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use some E6000 glue and also my glue gun, because a lot of times it takes a while for the E6000 to be permanent. So if you use your glue gun and put a little bit of glue, it'll hold it temporarily till the E6000 glue settles and becomes permanent. And this is going to be a very tall 4-tier tray. I think this year I might spray paint one gold just to see how pretty that's going to turn out. Of course, you could use plastic containers, you can use metal containers. I might try both. That one wasn't sticking too well, so I had to add some more E6000, add some more glue. And it looks like it's a little crooked, but I didn't want to bend it till actually the next day where I could mess with it a little bit more. But it really isn't that crooked because you can turn it around and it'll be straight. And I think the pans were a little, I don't know what I want to say, a little lopsided. I got them from Dollar Tree. They weren't completely straight. But once you fill in all of your little items on your trays, you can't really tell. So I wasn't going to worry about it too much. And see, it does look like it's lopsided, but if you turn it around, when I was working with it, it was straight on that side, but it looks lopsided as the camera's looking at it. So then I'm going to fill it with little Christmas items, little Christmas balls, Christmas houses. And you'll see in the last picture that it looks straight. I got little reindeer, all these from the Dollar Tree. So they were all dollar items. And there's my little deer. And my little stars. You'll see in the last picture it looks much straighter, so it's just, I didn't want to mess with it because it probably would all fall down or something. Hopefully not, but and you could put a lot of greenery in there, or you could put different beads hanging down, flowers hanging down. You could put poinsettias in there. I decided to do it in silver with some pine cones and some greenery. And there it is. There's my little garland and my little charger plate. Thank you for watching. If you would subscribe, I would love it. Thank you guys for being awesome. Love you guys. Take care.